Welcome to this lesson on shuffle fills based off of rudimental ideas. In this video, we're going to cover one rudimental idea that can be applied to some shuffle fills. I came up with a whole mini course on some more shuffle fills based off of rudiments, and you can check that out right there at the link in the description. So thank y'all for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy. All right, this next fill is based off the 6-stroke roll. And what's really cool about this is that your right hand continues playing quarter notes. So you can keep playing quarter notes on the ride cymbal, or you could move the right hand around the drums. But right now, we're gonna stay with the right hand on the ride cymbal. We're gonna play 3 bars of time and a 1-bar fill. Thank you for checking out this video. Right now, I am offering 50% off of monthly memberships to Stanton Moore Drum Academy. What that means is you can try it out for free for 14 days, and then your monthly subscription will kick in at $14.50 a month. And that'll give you access to all of my video and written lessons. Plus, you get to access me inside the forum and ask me any questions you might have. So I hope to see you inside the Academy. Of course, you can move the right hand around the drums. So right now we're gonna go snare, rack, floor, and create a nice 3-note phrase. And to give this phrase some space to develop, we're gonna make it into a 2-bar phrase. So you can really hear that 3-note phrase kind of come around. So you could also elongate this and play this longer in a solo context. But right now we're gonna play 2 bars at a time and make this into a 2-bar fill. We could take that last idea and reverse the order. We could start on the floor tom, go to the rack, go to the snare, so that now this idea cascades upwards. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I'm coming out with more lessons and behind the scenes videos. Also, if you want to see the entire mini course on shuffle fills based off of rudimental ideas, there is a link in the description to pick that up for just 10 bucks. Also, if you want to subscribe to Stanton Moore Drum Academy, you could do that for just $14.50 a month. That link is also in the description. Thanks for checking it out. See y'all down the line.